Hello everyone. Welcome to our AI and Corpus-aided English speaking training course. Over the course of the previous 5 sessions, you have become familiar with AI and Corpus-aided speaking learning procedure and applied the integrated approach to tackling the 4 key aspects of English speaking: grammatical range and accuracy, lexical resource, pronunciation, and fluency and coherence. In this final session, we'll introduce and explore an AI learning package, a collection of AI tools that we've found to be suitable for enhancing English speaking skills. This session will also include hands-on activities to demonstrate the use of these AI tools. The AI learning package we're going to introduce consists of 5 major categories of tools, namely text-to-speech tools, conversational AI, speech-to-text tools, speech analytic systems, AI-powered platforms for practice material generation. We've already introduced Murph and a series of chatbots in our previous sessions. In today's session, we will include a new tool, Speech Notes, in a new category, Speech-to-Text (STT), also known as Automatic Speech Recognition (ASR) tools, and introduce 2 speech analytic platforms and Miro we've mentioned before. Let's start by introducing Speech Notes, our first tool for today. Speech Notes is a speech-to-text tool designed to transcribe spoken words into text. This tool is particularly useful for checking pronunciation, as it allows you to see how well your speech is recognized, helping you identify areas for improvement. Here's a quick demo of the practice process. First, go to the Speech Notes website on your browser. You can either scan the QR code or type in the link provided here. Speech Notes offers various functions, but for pronunciation checking, we'll mainly focus on the dictate function. So to get started, please select Start Dictating on the left. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a blank notepad along with a microphone icon. This is where your speech will be transcribed into text. When you're ready, click on the microphone icon to begin practicing. Please note that you'll need to allow microphone access on your device for it to work properly. You'll see a red dot pulsing or flashing. This indicates that it's actively recording. Let's use a prepared answer to, do people in your country like to go on picnics, as an example.
Yes. People in my country really enjoy going on picnics, especially during the warmer month. It's a popular activity for families and friends who want to get together and spend quality time. Period.
By the way, for inserting punctuation, you have 3 options, and you don't need to click the microphone to stop recording. You can say the punctuation mark out loud like period or comma, type it using your keyboard, or simply click the punctuation marks on the right panel.
The atmosphere that is created during picnics is usually very relaxed. In autumn, it's far more usual for people to plan picnics because it's not hot or cold. It's also about enjoying nature and strengthening relationships.
Looking at the transcription, we can spot something interesting. Notice how Speech Notes transcribe the words usually and usual differently from what we intended. This suggests that a pronunciation of these words, especially the sound j, might need some adjustment.
The atmosphere that is created during picnics is usually very relaxed. In autumn, it's far more usual for people to plan picnics.
This is the way Speech Notes can help us identify areas where we need to improve our pronunciation. When the transcription doesn't match our intended words, it's often a signal that we should work on those specific sounds. Now, it's your turn to have a try. Now let's explore two tools specifically designed for improving pronunciation and presentation skills. They are AI-based tools built into Word, PowerPoint for Web, and Teams of Microsoft 365. These tools can evaluate various aspects of your reading, speech, or presentation, such as pronunciation, pitch, and pacing. Let's take a look at how to use Immersive Reader first. Go to Microsoft 365 by visiting www.office.com or scanning the QR code on the screen, and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, create a new document. Copy and paste the text you are going to practice into the document. Click on View tab on the ribbon below the title bar, then select Immersive Reader. This will open a clean, distraction-free view of your text. Click on the book icon in the upper right corner to set the reading preferences. There are 4 functions you can activate, including line focus, picture dictionary, translate, and the newly embedded reading coach, just by simply clicking on the toggle switch. Make sure to enable the reading coach function, which provides you with detailed pronunciation feedback when you finish practicing. You may notice that the play icon is changed to a microphone. When you're ready, click on microphone icon at the bottom of the screen and then start reading.
Yes, people in my country really enjoy going on picnics, especially during the warmer month. Also, it's not just about eating, it's also about enjoying nature and strengthening relationships.
Once you've completed the practice, click on the Stop button. A comprehensive report is generated immediately, providing details on accuracy rate, time spent reading, correct words per minute, and words to practice. Regarding words to practice, click on Practice Words to focus on the top 5 words that need improvement in pronunciation. The reading coach provides tools such as text-to-speech, syllable breaking, and picture dictionary to help you master these words.
Next step, practice. Select any word to keep building your skills. When you're ready, press the microphone and read the word out loud. Activity.
Activity.
Great reading. Usually.
Usually.
Great reading today. You showed these challenging words. Who's boss?
Besides, once you disable the reading coach, Immersive Reader offers the option to have the document read aloud by a male or female narrator. As the text is read aloud, it is highlighted in real time.
Yes, people in my country really enjoy going on picnics, especially during the warmer months.
You can select your preferred voice speed and choose between a male or female voice in voice settings.
Outdoors. The atmosphere that is created during picnics is usually very relaxed, and it does provide a nice break from the hustle and bustle of urban life.
In addition to the reading coach, Grammar Options allows you to highlight nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs in the document. This feature helps you focus on the content words from an intonational aspect, enabling better attention and comprehension.
Personally, I enjoy picnicking too. I usually do it on weekends or holidays. Also, it's not just about eating, it's also about enjoying nature and strengthening relationships.
In general, with the use of Immersive Reader, learners can engage in both perception and production practices in an enhanced learning environment. Now, you can practice using Immersive Reader with your answer. Now, let's move on to the third tool, Speaker Coach. It takes your practice to the next level. Unlike Immersive Reader, Speaker Coach provides more detailed feedback on your pronunciation, pace, pitch, and other aspects. It also gives you specific suggestions for improvement. Here is a step-by-step demo. Create a presentation in PowerPoint in Microsoft 365. Copy and paste the text you're going to practice into the document. Here, we still use the response to the question, do people in your country like to go on picnics? As an example, click on Slideshow tab on the ribbon, below the title bar, then select Rehearse with Coach. The PowerPoint is displayed in a full screen view and a small window is shown in the bottom right corner of your screen. When you're ready, click on Start Rehearsing in the lower right corner. Make sure to enable the Show Real-Time Feedback option below the button so you can receive on-screen guidance from Speaker Coach while rehearsing. For example, when using frequently in the speech, the coach provides immediate reminders like this. If it detects a slower pace, the coach prompts you to speak a bit faster in terms of pace.
Where they can relax, play games, and, eat outdoors.
The coach also gives feedback on mispronounced words, with playable recordings from native speakers.
The atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere.
Additionally, you'll receive encouraging feedback, such as, off to a good start, keep at it.
The atmosphere that is created during picnics is usually very relaxed. And it does provide a nice break from the hustle and bustle of urban life. Also, it's not just about eating, it's also about enjoying nature and strengthening relationships.
When you're done rehearsing, just press Escape key on your keyboard to exit the current view. Then you'll receive a report that includes a summary of your performance, including details such as on your pace, use of fillers, pitch, and pronunciation. In terms of pronunciation, it's worth noting that in addition to the list of frequently mispronounced words, the coach offers the opportunity to listen to recordings of native speakers, pronouncing these words at both fast and slow speeds.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere.
And also allows you to practice pronunciation while receiving instant corrective feedback.
Atmosphere.
Please also note that the rehearsal report cannot be downloaded, so you can take screenshots and compare your performance each time. Now it's your turn to try Speaker Coach. Practice your response to the question, do people in your country like to go on picnics? And pay attention to the real-time feedback. Let's turn our attention to the final AI tool, Miro. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed to facilitate brainstorming, planning, or managing projects. It enables users to create and share visual ideas and workflows, as well as organize and present concepts by using customizable templates. Today, we'll focus specifically on using Miro to create a speaking practice log. This tool will help you track and monitor your speaking improvement effectively. Here is a sample practice log we created on Miro. This log incorporates ideas developed based on chatbots, feedback from chatbots on 4 major aspects, sample recordings generated by Murph, performance analysis based on dictation by speech notes, performance reports from Immersive Reader and Speaker Coach, as well as a summary document generated by Miro. So, Miro, here, helps us integrate these components into a cohesive portfolio, allowing us to organize and present the outputs from the practice process in a structured way. To help you understand how we created this log, let's go step by step. You'll first need to log in to Miro with an account and then create a blank board. Let's begin with adding a frame to start organizing our content. Frames in Miro help create sections where you can structure and group your materials clearly. Locate the frame icon in the left toolbar. It looks like a rectangle. Click it and select Custom from the options. Click and drag on your canvas to create a frame of your preferred size. Double-click the frame title to rename it, such as Weekly Practice. Click the T text icon in the left toolbar. Click inside your new frame to create a text box. Then enter what you're going to include, such as the date and the topic you practiced. Use the formatting toolbar below to adjust font size, color, and other styles as needed. You can also add other details by creating sticky notes. Click the sticky note in the left toolbar or press N on your keyboard. Click anywhere on your frame to place the note. Click and drag at the edges to resize, or anywhere in the middle to move around. You can either type directly or copy-paste the content on the sticky note, such as the ideas you've generated for the topic. In this way, you can include other details you collected during the practice process in the frame. After organizing all the content on the board, the next step is to use the AI feature in Miro to help us generate a summary. Before activating the AI feature in Miro, you first need to select the content you want to work with. To do this, you can either click on the frame to select all the content within it, or Control-click on any text box, sticky note, or other elements to select specific content. Once the content is selected, you can activate the AI feature by either clicking on Miro AI in the toolbar that hovers above or below the selected content, or by choosing Create with AI in the left-hand toolbar. The key difference between these two methods lies in whether a prompt is required. Clicking Miro AI processes the selected content directly without needing additional input, while Create with AI allows you to enter a prompt to guide the AI for a more specific and tailored output. Additionally, Create with AI enables you to generate sticky notes based on the content you select. Miro, in general, simplifies the process of organizing and visualizing the practice log. Now, please take a few minutes to try it out. In addition to the tools we've introduced, there are many more waiting to be explored. Overall, the Corpus&AI tools are seamlessly integrated across different stages to help you obtain explicit knowledge, facilitate practice, assess performance, and support reflection. Hopefully, this approach will aid you in improving your English speaking skills. Thank you for watching.